You're witnessing day 8 of my intermittent fasting, plant-based diet. I don't know who makes those stupid rice cookers, but it's impossible to read. I need to find number 3 to match 3 cups. What is this for? So it's less than 4. Okay. Rice cooker is pretty cool. You close it and you heat brown rice and it will start soon. There you go. Started. I'm making shredded potato for hash brown, which I'm gonna cook on Belgian waffle maker. I'm using napkins to press the water out of this potato. I don't have any kitchen towels, never owned them. I think it's good enough. I'll wait till this light turns green. Oh, now I can put the shredded potatoes on a waffle maker. Okay, let's close it. Still has a gap. Trying to press it. Should I keep pressing or let it sit a little bit longer? Here is the point when it's gonna click. Close enough, but not good enough. Here's this clicky part, hook. I see the steam is coming out. And it still didn't close. Just close enough. Steaming. I'll leave it as this. And on this diet I'm allowed to eat bananas. I have to separate them because otherwise they will break apart. Let's see. Oh, it clicked. Finally. Still steaming. Rice cooker just played its song. And I got a message in Chinese. I don't know what it means. And it's been 6 minutes while I'm waiting for hash brown. I'm gonna have this Australian beer. And I shifted my feeding window, so to say, from noon to 4 p.m. So I start eating 4 p.m. finish eating at 9 or 10. That way I'll have a beer occasionally. Still 6-hour window. See where it's going. Okay, cheers. Meanwhile, I will take this. It will be second day. I'm gonna take this thing. If you wanna know ingredients, B12 it's obligatory on diet like this, and iodine. So iodine and B12 it's already takes care of a lot of stuff. And as I said, I take this before because I believe that fat people have thyroid problems, and without thyroid problems, those dieting gurus wouldn't take a nice before picture. Cheers. Keep it in the freezer between sips. Should I try it? So it's been almost 10 minutes. Need to give it more time. Didn't stick to the top. Didn't split in half. I want to show you what I got. This is buckwheat roasted, and it's $4.50 or something in Whole Foods. Buckwheat, roasted buckwheat, $2.54 a pound. No, $4.39 a pound, 2 pounds. In my family, we eat buckwheat all the time. I don't know why. I mean, I was on keto, that's why I didn't buy it. You cook it as just like rice until it absorbs the water, and then you mix it. That's my personal recipe. You mix it with a few tablespoons of A1 sauce, and then you topple it with your frozen cooked veggies or something, or with barbecue sauce, veggies. But the idea is A1 perfectly matches. Boil it like rice, buckwheat. Move it to the jar. There you go, got buckwheat. Let's check on it. Need a little bit more time, but looks great. Clean. I also got purple sweet potato, $2 a pound, and also Japanese yam, also purple, the same price. Carrots, purple onion. I heard that red onion doesn't give you body odor. I don't know if it's true. Lime strawberries. Meanwhile, I'll make myself tomato salad with onion and cucumber. And I'm gonna eat it with potato, hash brown. Salad is getting better. I sprinkled it with some salt. I don't believe in salt free, because salt only lasts for maybe 40 hours in your body, so salt is irrelevant for health, I think. So this is the salt. I'm gonna dip the bread in it if I want to. Hash brown. Looks awesome. Let's see if it unsticks. I think I'm supposed to use wooden chapstick for this. Oh man, it's crazy. Let's flip it on the other side. Dark side of the moon. Oh, and I have ketchup. On this night you allowed ketchup. Man, this is awesome. This is awesome. Alright, it was day 8, I guess, of intermittent plant-based diet. Scale didn't shift. I'm still the same weight as 2 days ago. But and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna eat frequent meals, whatever it takes to lose weight. Alright. This diet is awesome. Soak the bread. Potato with ketchup. Can Keto beat it? Oh. It's awesome. Now I'm going to make my Mcdougall recipe. Beans, they were soaked all day in cold water. Beans with Kirkland, no salt seasoning. And instead of 8 hours on high, I'm gonna put them on 6 hours on low heat, because they were soaked already.